Hello, today at Model Corner we will once again be looking at the PPC plastic plane company Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX 8, but this time in 1/100 scale. Last time we looked at it in 1/200, and this time we are looking at it in 1/100. As you can see, this is a snap fit kit that you can put together easily with no glue required, which I will now demonstrate for you. So first off, you want to take the body or the fuselage of the plane, the cockpit at the front, and you're going to want to take the wings like so, and just snap them onto the body. Just one little push. There you go, wing one, onto the other side, and there's wing two. Simple as that. Give a nice look at how the wings look on the plane, both sides. And now let's move on to the tail of the plane. It's made up of these three parts: the two horizontal stabilizers and the bigger vertical stabilizer. So let's start with the horizontals. Like the wings, they just snap on like so. And then onto the vertical, this also will just push on like so. And there you have it, the PPC Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/100 scale. So let's zoom out a little bit so we can get a nice look at the whole plane. Look at it, we've got a nice Ryanair logo and livery on it. Classic. Our registration of EIHGT. And we've got some very nice details. Look at the wings, we have the flaps, ailerons, we have split tip winglets on the end of the wings, which do say, when we get into focus, Ryanair on them, and on both sides. And this, of course, same on this side. Looking at the stabilizers, we have the elevators on the horizontals, and we've got the rudder line marked here on the vertical. Looking at some very nice jet engines here. Can't see, it's a little bit dark here. Looking at the cockpit, it's very nice. Now, as you can see, this model does not come with landing gear. However, it does come with is a stand, which is made up of three parts to put it together. You have part one, part two, and then the part that will hold it to the plane with this metal screw. So, you can see this stand says Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX 8. So first off, what I would do is to take this plane, turn the plane upside down, to attach the stand, and then place your screw in. Make sure it's lined up properly, and screw in your screw, which will now hold your plane to this part of the stand. And then once that's attached, you could just push the stand together. You can just line up the other. Well, I'm a little bit misaligned. So push this part of the stand into this one. It can be a little bit fiddly to get the alignment perfectly right. But once you've got it, it'll be fine. And there we have our, once again, the PPC Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/100 scale. It's a very nice size, this plane. It's got a wingspan of 35.9 centimeters, and it's about 39.52 centimeters long. So if you're looking for this plane in a nice big size, this is the model for you. Looking at it, it's very, very nicely detailed. Nice and sturdy with the plastic. It's, very, very solid. Like, you're not going to be able to knock this and break it anytime soon. And this model comes packaged in this box behind it. Let's move this to the back. See a nice look there. This box. And as you can see, the box has, once again, the standard image of the plane on it. The name of the plane, the Boeing 737 MAX 8. It should say the scale, which it does here. And once again, we've got Ryanair, the title, and a logo. Under the name of the plane, again. And we've got the dimensions of a real Boeing 737 MAX 8, with its length, its height, and its wingspan. And of course, as all the Boeing planes have, we have a little stamp here. It comes into focus saying Boeing officially licensed product. And this plane is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.